Hello and welcome. In this lecture, let us take a look at how to crack WPA2 Wi-Fi protected access in Kali Linux. So, open up your terminal and enable monitor mode. But before enabling monitor mode, I'll show you a set of commands. You can just take a screenshot of this or just write it down in your notepad so that it will be very handy and you can just copy paste it on your terminal. So, if you want to check the version of your Kali Linux, you can just use cat etc and os release, which gets you the version of your Kali Linux. So let me paste it, shift control V. I might have a version which is I might have the latest version and you might have the version which is a bit old. So with the methods and the commands are same. If you have any doubt, you can just go ahead and Google or use ChatGPT for it. I have the 2024.2. So yeah, you can just check your version, or you can just use the apt get update command to update your Linux machine. So just type iwdev to look at your wireless interface, which is WLAN 0, and the type is managed. So we need to go ahead and start our monitor mode and type IP adder so that it gives you all of your details of the wireless network adapter you have connected to your Linux machine, which is WLAN 0. It's MAC address and the inet and other basic details. So then you just start your monitor mode using the airmon-ng command. Airmon-ng start WLAN 0 mon, which is your Wi-Fi card name. So in this video or in this lecture, I'll be it says it does not exist. It's WLAN 0. Airmon-ng start WLAN 0 and hit enter. So it just kills all the all the other processes so that it doesn't interfere with our network. So in this video we'll be using a brute force attack. So for brute force attack, the password has to be in the list which we will be using. If the password does not exist in the list, it just does not crack. That is one of the main disadvantage of using a dictionary attack. Then we just need to give a targeted scan and write all the files in the Wi-Fi capture folder. So the file name is Wi-Fi capture and the channel is 6 and this is the MAC address BSSID and this is our Wi-Fi card name. So I'll just copy this, copy, and I'll just paste it in the terminal. We just need a targeted scan. I have already performed a scan and let me delete all of my old files. So we are good to go. I'll just paste it here. But before pasting it, you just take a screenshot of all of the commands and write it down. So after running the targeted scan, so I'll just paste it here, paste clipboard, and I'll hit enter so that once we are in monitor mode using the wireless external card. So let us just run a targeted scan, and looks like there is one client connected, which is my laptop. So yeah, open up a new tab and copy the airplay-ng command. So we have to send deauthentication packets to capture the handshake file. So press paste clipboard, and once we have pasted the MAC address of the targeted device, the client which is connected to the targeted network. This is my laptop's MAC address and this is the BSSID of the target network, and we will be sending around 100 deauthentication packets so that we capture the handshake file right here, so that it says the handshake is already captured, but I just don't know where it's captured. Okay, it says the handshake is already captured, but I just did not run the attack. And okay, let us do it again. I'll hit enter. Once I hit enter, my laptop will get successfully disconnected, and we will be sending the authentication packets, and there will be a handshake captured. But I don't know for what reason the handshake is already captured here, so that we get all of the data right here. So we have all of the Wi-Fi captured files here. So this is the main file which we will be using to crack it. So my Wi-Fi has been successfully disconnected from the laptop. Once the handshake file has been captured, press Ctrl C to end it, to end the deauth attack. So the handshake is successfully captured. After this, you just need to type ls and list out the number of files. So this is our main file, and we just need to type Wireshark Wi-Fi capture 1 cap to analyze the data. Paste clipboard and hit enter, so that Wireshark opens up. Once Wireshark is opened, you just can type epoll and analyze the, you can just analyze the data. Just copy this command. I've written all of the commands, so it will be very helpful, and I can explain it in a more better fashion. Just type epoll and search. So we have the 8021x authentication right here, and you can take a look at all of the information, like the key information and the WPA key, which is encrypted, and all of the data mostly here is encrypted between the clients, because it is using WPA2 encryption, and it is all encrypted in HTTPS. So yeah, so once we get the handshake file, we just will stop the, we'll just stop the monitor mode for now. Hit paste, select it, paste to clipboard, and we'll just stop the monitor mode, and yeah, wait for our chipset to connect to the internet. So yep, it is successfully connected. Type iwdev and make sure it is in managed. Yep, we are good to go. It is in managed. So just type search word list. Okay, I'll just hit cancel and go to the top left corner right here. And so Kali Linux comes with many number of word lists which are already there in Kali Linux. Just type word lists and hit enter, and you can take a look at the different word lists Kali Linux has. So double click, and this opens up, and you just need to extract the rocku.txt. It will give you a command asking you that you can just press Y, and the rocku.txt will get extracted from the rocku.txt.gz. Then you just need to use the rocku.txt and make sure that you just need to make sure that the password is present in that file. So just hit paste, select paste to clipboard, and we are using Aircrack ng to crack the handshake capture file. Our handshake capture file is Wi-Fi capture 01.cap. So the rocku.txt is present in user, share, word lists, and rocku.txt. So you can go ahead to the file system. You can go ahead inside the user folder. You can go to share. You can scroll down where you'll get the word lists file. Yep, here we have word list. So rocku.txt, I think rocku.txt is around 133 MIB, and it is so many bytes. So yeah, you just hit open, and it will take a while to open the file because it has a lot of text in it, and let's just wait for it to open. So the Wi-Fi adapter might scan for 2 gigahertz and 4 gigahertz, and it is based on the the capability of the Wi-Fi card. So the document is opening. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, once it is opened, only if the Wi-Fi password is present in this set of, you know, words, or in this set, it will get cracked. If it is not present in this set, it just does not crack the password. So that is one of the disadvantages in brute force or dictionary attack. So let me just give it a try and hit enter. So it says 0.8%. It says 1 hour left. So let it run for a while, or let it run for 1 hour. So it will try all the combinations of encryption, and it will try to crack the password. So if you're lucky, it might work. So if you're not lucky, it just won't work. So for testing purposes, I just changed the password to SpongeBob, and let us see if it cracks. So yeah, I'll just wait. So if it cracks, the password is present. If it does not crack, you can use different kind of word list. You have DNS map, or you can create your own word list, and you can just start the dictionary or the brute force attack. So you have so many other word lists right here. You can keep trying all of them. So it says 4 minutes and 20 seconds started. Okay, I'll just pause the video and get back once it's cracked. So yeah, this is how you do it. So we just finished around 2%, but it will take a lot of time to crack password, and it has to try all the combinations. But I have gone ahead and changed my Wi-Fi password in the TP-Link router settings. I just kept SpongeBob. I think it'll take some time for it to figure it out. So I think it won't be updated. I think the password won't be updated in the TP-Link, but for testing purposes, you just can change your password to 12345 or SpongeBob or something else which is present in the raw queue text, or you can just type password as password and try to run this attack. So yeah, this is how you use dictionary or brute force attack, and yeah, this is how you crack a WPA2 password, and I'll see you in the next video.